Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel.
So to restore deleted apps on your iPhone, you can follow this step. First of all, launch the App Store on your iPhone. Once you have launched your App Store, you have to go to the account section here. Just navigate to your account, which is on the top right corner of the screen. And on your account page, you have to tap on the purchase history. Just go for the purchase history option, and which will show you a list of available apps that you have purchased or downloaded, including those that have been deleted. After finding that app, you can easily go and tap on the restore option. So navigate to your profile, and here you can just go for the apps too. Once you are on your apps, here you can find the note on this iPhone, and here you can simply see the deleted items or apps from your iPhone, and you have to tap on this icon to restore deleted apps. After that, you will easily restore deleted apps on your iPhone with the help of your App Store. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.